sun is up there. What's here is the snow. Strong wind. Let's see, that feels like the Northeast. So it's snowing and windy. I finally get to learn the snow stick to sand. The snow stay on a beach. Oh God, it's windy. So here we are. Oh, my hands are frozen. I can scale this today. Yep. Little slick. Ooh. Snow. I don't see snow on the beach. It's going that way. You can see how fast this is blowing or not. I was swimming this month. November's been a wild month. Oh yeah, visibility, let's see. I can sort of see. Yeah, I can see rocks down there. Visibility is a mile maybe? Mile and a half. Okay, that's about it. Go to Boston today. That's gonna be fun.